Cleaning up the 66 GMC today. Was a dummy and didn't start filming as soon as I started, but I've already got the hood mostly done. You can see that a lot of the paint is really oxidized and has a lot of dirt in it. So scrubbing it up with a SOS pad, which is basically just a steel wool soap. Then gonna get to polishing on it. Should look pretty good, but you can already see difference after cleaning it. The SOS pad color comes out quite a bit better. So gonna get back to work. Alrighty, the entire truck is done. There's still some oxidization kind of here, but it's really kind of baked into the paint, so I think that the buffer will take that out. But it is so much smoother than it was before. There's some rust and stuff, and a little bit of almost bare metal, or maybe even some bare metal, like right here. But I think we'll polish it and seal it, and it will be just fine, and we'll keep that cool patina. And the roof is actually turned out pretty shiny, surprisingly. Alright, you can see I polished this area. It's got a nice shine on it. This is an area up here I still haven't. Doing just the parts that are in the shade for now, because I don't want the stuff to dry too quick. Yeah, just hitting it with the buffing wheel, and then buffing it off with a towel, as you can see right up there. You can tell big difference here. See how reflective that is compared to right here. Now, this has been cleaned but not polished yet. I think this is turning out really well, and this truck's gonna really shine. Oh yeah, you can see the difference right there. Let me see if I can show you the difference here. See how reflective this is? This is the part I just polished. And then see, this is where it gets more dull. You can see down here, there's a shadow, but there's not really a reflection. A little bit of a reflection on that, but so much more of a reflection over here. Alright, I got all the polishing done on the GMC. As you can see, we got a nice shine on most of the body panels. It looks so much better than before. Maybe I'll put up a before photo since I started filming a little bit late on this project. I'm still going to clean it and wax it. However, it looks like it might rain today, so that will be something I will do another day. But right now, it's looking pretty good. Oh, especially right here around the back window. This paint is really good. there was hardly any fading or any wear through at all, and so man, it turned out really good. The rest of the truck, you know, it's got spots where it's kind of worn through, which I think looks really cool. Yeah, so next for this truck is going to be cleaning up these wheels, making them look like $1 million, replacing these tires. As you can see, they are pretty toast. The back ones aren't as bad, but they're going to be replaced as well. I actually have a decent amount of tread on the back ones, but they're old, and be cleaning up these wheels as well. And what I might do today is build the wood racks. I'm gonna build some wood racks on top of the bed rails to increase the capacity. As far as mechanical, this truck is pretty sound. It runs really well. It needs a new battery though. I feel like every third time I try to drive it, I need to jump it. So we'll be replacing the battery. It also has an oil leak, so we'll be cleaning up the oil leak, cleaning up the engine, replacing all the fluids, doing just general maintenance stuff. Oh yeah, see, I really I need to wash it because there's a lot of the polishing compound sprayed on the windows and such. But yeah, this is going to do it for this video. I'm gonna make it a multi-part series, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks.